Quasidb Sentimental analysis video for the 27th of April. We have signals now, and we've had 4 signals that went out, and all 4 were successful. So I'm really happy with the results. The buy or sell condition is made from examining the dynamic movement across time. And so when 1,000 positions have been made by the retail, then we'll do the opposite of those 1,000 positions created. So if they go really long, then we'll short it, and if likewise and vice versa. So Aussie yen didn't move enough to create a signal, and that's why we didn't get it. It might not even make regular signals because of that 1,000k threshold condition. But we have to keep it the same across all, just because, just to make it, concise across all. So I won't talk about the Aussie yen too much because we didn't have a signal for it, but just things to bear in mind. The blue line is your volume line, it's the medium volume point. These are your stops, and this is your current positions, and these are your SLCs, which is your stop loss cluster. Okay, and then of the two, the larger one would be targeted. Just going to make a quick one today. Aussie dollar, there's your dynamic movement. Now, this time tomorrow, should it repeat this, then we will get a signal. There was an error on my part, is I didn't have the Aussie dollar connection to the Telegram, and now it's fixed. So that happened with Aussie dollar, dollar CAD, and dollar yen, and they've all 3 of them have been fixed now. So it's just because there was an invalid connection, and now it's been remedied. So slightly annoying, because had it did trigger when it should have done, would be 40 pips up by now. But it doesn't matter. This time tomorrow, should all be working like 100%. So we had the 4 signals out, and they were all successful, so that's good. It's just that if this came out, that would have been 5 successful signals, and also with the dollar CAD, that would have been your 6th successful signal, and I think even dollar yen as well, that was successful. So it was really, really good. So I'm happy, and this time tomorrow, all the issues have been fixed. So that's that. It's currently a buy. Dynamic is a buy, as you can see. So it's slightly annoying, but we're still in sort of test mode at the moment. Euro Oz, there we go. There's this number, that's the one that's larger, undecided. Euro dollar. This one went out at 1:17 a.m. So if you were to look at your price, it was a buy signal that created at 1:17. So we just have to go back a few candles, and you see that we made like 40 pips. These all been recorded on a signals history, and I'll tally them up at the end of the day. So far up hundreds of pips, so it's really good. It would have been more, but we had some technical glitches, and they'll be all fixed for tomorrow now. So it's currently a buy, and it's dynamically a buy. Okay, we've got pound USD. This went out at 10 to 7. So you just go back, look at your price at 7 a.m. UK time, and how it's done since. Currently a buy, and if we had the MyFX book line there, they're coming down. When they sell, it's a buy. That's a general principle, because they're counter trend. So that's that. So this is another successful one. Kiwi dollar, we didn't get a signal. It didn't meet the threshold for the positions, and that's why MyFX book they didn't sell it enough in order for it to be a buy. If they sold it a little bit more, it would have created the signal. Yeah, it is a sell, but we're above monthly pivot. Euro yen. Likewise, there isn't a signal for this. It didn't move enough. See, it's quite stationary. It's quite flat. Once it really gets moving, then we'll know in the Telegram. So we'll know it's a buy when it comes down. Yep. So pound yen. Again, no signal for this one, because you'll see fairly flat, really. Undecided. And this is also will watch cable through our trade in this pair as well. Um, this one would have been a successful one, but we had an issue with the connection between the Telegram and the spreadsheet, which has now been fixed. So had it have actually been generated on time, it would have been successful. Another successful one. So yeah, it was about 7 o'clock when it should have come. So 107.40 ish. So yeah, 30 pips on this one. So far we're up a lot. Had we taken all of them, and as another thing of being awake at the time, which is obviously not many people are, So the Australians and the Asian people are, so that the Europeans and the people in the States are not. Dollar CAD currently a buy. They're going long. Let's have a look at my FX book. So they're going long. Perhaps it hasn't. Those 1,000 positions threshold hasn't been met yet because we have not had the signal for the dollar CAD. Of the two, the one's larger, the one above, and then we'll go to dollar Swiss. It's currently a buy there, but they're going long, so we're probably going to get a signal on this to sell tomorrow, but we'll see, or tonight even, shall I say. Dollar Swiss, there you go, broken the diagonal. See, it respected it multiple times. Undecided, and they're going long. MyFX book. I'm stressing the MyFX book line because we're using that for the signals. So that's the orange line, and the one below is larger. Quick look at oil. Flat, really. It's doing what I'm hoping it's going to do, and we're going to get a nice stochastic cross below the 20. So that's going to be interesting. So pending things line up and stuff, it could be a good one. We can also add this to the signals too, actually. I just had a thought that might be a good idea. And gold. It's currently a buy. But we had the MyFX book line. So yeah, it's quite flat, isn't it? So yeah, another one below, another one above's larger, only slightly. And there's your volume line, sort of sideways, sort of a bit like the sentiment, really. Yeah, that's it. So all in all, really good. Oh yeah, we did get a sell signal on this. I forgot to say, and it created at 124, and the price then was 17.24. So up got quite a bit on that one. And so at the end of the day, I'll tell you the results, and then I'll just have like a total for Monday. And by the end of the week, we'll have a good idea how reliable the system is. And in a couple of weeks, pending the results, I might change my sleep schedule in order to capture these 1 o'clock trades. And it doesn't matter if I just have a lie in the morning. So yeah, give it a couple of weeks, and then we'll see where we stand. But so far, so good, and excellent test and results for your first day.